Welcome back to the 90-10 Project, guys. Hillary here. We're going on another $50 shopping challenge. And on where are we at today? Wally World, as some would call it. We are at the infamous Cottonwood Walmart, where you can buy a kayak. We'll see you in there. All right, so our 4 meals are gonna consist of one being a big salad. So we're gonna put a lot of protein on this salad, avocado, veggies. So I'll show you what I'm gonna throw on that. Our second meal is gonna be egg salad and lettuce wrap. So that's why you'll see me grab a ton of eggs, because I reuse them for multiple meals. And this is also gonna have a lot of veggies on it and some dressing. And then our third meal is gonna be chicken wings, blue cheese dressing, veggies on the side. I love chicken wings. And then our last but not least is gonna be burger lettuce wraps. Love me some good beef with some avocado and bacon on top. Again, reusing the bacon from our breakfasts. And so these 4 meals, I'm gonna try to get enough to get 2 meals out of each. So that would be 8 meals for the week, which is more than enough. So let's go. All right, check this out, guys. A whole section of eggs and the breakfast, which of course has all the bacon. Bring home the bacon, baby. All right, we got the egg selection here. I didn't end up needing 2 dozen eggs last week. That was a little overambitious on my protein content. So these are $4.14. By buying the bigger pack, you get a better deal. I always like to check my eggs first. Perfect. And so we're going for an 18 pack of eggs. We're also gonna move straight over to the bacon section here. Out of all of these bacons at Walmart, there's only one that I found that doesn't have added sugars to it and nitrates. It also doesn't have antibiotics, so I'm not the most overly healthy person, but that looks pretty good. It's 12 ounces for $5.37. I'm shocked at how expensive the bacon is here at Walmart, but we're going for it. I love spicy. This is the cheese section at Walmart. Because I love spicy cheese, I found this pepper jack. It's only $1.97, so we're gonna grab that to put it on burgers this week. So that's what that looks like there. Okay, so this is the pickles, peppers, olive section, a lot of yummy stuff. I am gonna put some peppers on my burgers, salads, all that kind of stuff. I found these banana pepper rings. They're hot. I love spicy food, and they're $1.88, by far the cheapest brand of them. So we're gonna go ahead and grab those. Okay, and then also to put on some of our burgers, our egg salad wraps, and just some of our meals in general, I'm gonna also grab this dill relish that doesn't have any sugar added. $1.68, so that's a pretty good deal for a topping. Okay, on to the salad dressing. Now, I wasn't overly impressed with the dressing selection here, but I did, in the very back corner here, find a blue cheese dressing that's actually not too bad. It's only $1.97, far cheaper than the competitors. All right, the ground beef is way more expensive than I anticipated. This is the cheapest one I could find at $4.48 for a pound. That's more than enough for what we need. So I'm gonna grab one of these guys here, one of the more frozen ones, and we'll get some burgers out of those. All right, so we're looking for some chicken wings. Now this is more than I need, but it's the smallest bag I could find that didn't have extra flavoring on it. It's $12.98, which is $3.25 a pound. That's the cheapest chicken wings in the store. 4 pounds, so we're gonna get more than we need out of this, but we're gonna see if we can fit that into the budget. All right, so usually I would maybe go for a bagged lettuce. These are pretty expensive though here. So I'm actually gonna come over here because we are making egg salad wraps and burger wraps, and I love these romaine packs to make wraps with. They're just really nice and easy. So I'm gonna grab some of these, and these are $3.18, and that I think is gonna get me through all my lettuce related meals and wraps for the week. All right, we're using tomatoes. I'm gonna use them for burgers and salads. So I'm gonna grab 3 of these. Tiny little avocados here next to the tomatoes. So I picked out 2. They're not super huge there, but they are 67 cents. So I guess we can't complain too much. That'll get us through. All right, not a huge selection of cucumbers here, but I love to use cucumbers to beef up salads and to snack on, dip in different things. 64 cents each. Pretty good deal. Okay, I feel like we're doing everything by twos preparing bell peppers here. Green bell peppers, 68 cents. Just by switching to yellow or red, they were $1.49 a piece. So we're going all green. I prefer red onions on salads, but this was the best we could find. It's a yellow onion, 98 cents a pound. I'll take you to the scale with me. Gonna pop this onion on the scale. It's just about a pound, so right about $1 for that. Okay, and then just to make sure I have enough veggies, I'm actually gonna grab some cabbage. cabbage. This is a great supplement. You can saute it, you can use it for your burger wraps, you can use it for egg salad wraps, and it's just a healthy veggie for a good price. So it's 68 cents a pound for that. We'll head over to the scale. Okay, so we're at the scale. This beautiful head of cabbage for 68 cents a pound is 3.33 pounds. So that's still super good value, and we'll pop that in the cart. Okay, and then I'm really hoping that these green beans fall into the budget, because this dipped in blue cheese is like one of my favorite pretty healthy snacks. These are $1.78 a pound. I'll show you the scale. Back at the scale, we got the green beans, and they're $1.76. I'm gonna go ahead and grab those and hope that, because that's, I don't know, a little over $3 or something, hope we come out on top at the register. All right, guys, so I think we're all set. Again, we have some cabbage and lettuce and a bunch of veggies, bacon and eggs to top on our salads. Green beans just as a snack throughout the week. Love dipping those in the blue cheese. Also gonna use the peppers on our salads. We got some spicy cheese for our salads, and also we're gonna put that cheese on the ground beef burgers, and then eggs and bacon for breakfasts or breakfast lunch, depending on what time I decide to eat it. And then we got this 4-pound bag. We got a ton of chicken party wings. I guess Walmart thinks that you're always gonna party if you're having chicken. So we have our chicken wing meal, we have the supplies for our burger meal, and we're also putting avocados on those in our salads. We have all the supplies for our salad meals, and then plenty of egg, veggies, toppings, or fixins if you like, for our egg salad wraps. I'll show you those this week. They're delicious. I'm really hoping that we're under 50. I'm pretty sure that we are, but let's head to the register and we'll take a look. Okay, last but not least, before we run out, Walmart has all these dollar sauces I thought would be really fun. Like if you just buy a different sauce every week in your $50 budget weeks, you're gonna have a whole cabinet of them. So I decided to grab this one. It looks really yummy. This is the Melinda's Fire Roasted Jalapeno and Garlic Pepper Sauce. Delicious, all for $1. And then also I'm gonna go ahead and, because we're doing so many wings this week as well, get the Melinda's Ghost Pepper Wing Sauce, and that one is really spicy. I don't know if you can see that it has 5 heat stars and the jalapeno has 2. So we'll use that on eggs and burgers, and this one will be great with the wings. Check this out, $39.96 with tax. The only thing I'm leaving behind is the green beans, which were not an essential, they were an added snack. So pretty happy with that. All right, Walmart, it's been a good shop, under $50. Guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe to the 9010 Project, and we will bring you your next grocery shopping on a budget video. See you guys.